The Palisades fire left a devastating impact, but recovery is possible when communities come together. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps for rebuilding and restoring after a wildfire. Before returning home, it's critical to wait for clearance from local authorities. Here is what you need to do once it's safe. Wear safety gear. Use gloves, boots, and an N95 mask to protect against ash and toxic debris. Check for hazards. Look out for the hotspots, unstable structures, and utility damage. Document the damage. Take photos and videos of all damage for insurance purposes. Next, contact your insurance provider immediately when filing a claim. Provide your documentation. Use the photos and videos taken earlier as proof of damage. Ask about the temporary assistance. Some policies may cover temporary housing or emergency living expenses. Explore disaster relief. Federal aid programs like FEMA can provide additional support if insurance doesn't cover all losses. Once approved for cleanup, follow these steps. Clear ash and debris carefully. Avoid stirring up ash. Use damp clothes. Avoid leaf blowers. Work with professionals. For major damage, hire certified debris removal services. Proper disposal. Separate hazardous materials like chemicals and dispose of them according to local guidelines. Recovering emotionally is just as important as physical recovery. If you or your loved ones are struggling, seek counseling. Many relief agencies offer free counseling for fire survivors. Join community support group. Sharing your experience with neighbors can help with healing. Stay connected. Reach out to friends, family, and local organizations for support. Recovery also means preparing for the future. Consider these prevention steps. Create defensible space. Clear dry vegetation around your home. Use fire-resistant materials. Rebuild with non-flammable roofing and siding materials. Stay informed. Join local emergency alert systems to stay prepared. Recovery takes time, but together we can rebuild stronger and safer. If you found this video helpful, share it to spread awareness and inspire others to stay prepared. Subscribe for more safety tips and community stories.